Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. First, my name is Tian Setiawan and my student number is 21031094. So I want to review some book that I already finished to read, and I have read non-fiction book report, and the book title is The Australian Kangarohan novel as Buildings Roman. The author is Ken Golder and Rachel Weaver. The main topic of this book is in Australia and no doubt in other outposts of empire, hunting provided the required rite of passage for ambitious young men in particular to learn about local condition and establish their colonial credential. The Kangarohan as literally genre the river operated as a kind of buildings roman or novel of education. The Kangarohan is the tooth of frontier novel which problematizes ethical frameworks around the killing of native species and aboriginal people. If offers a non-violent Christian settler perspective, we have no right to retaliate that it then show to be incompatible with the improve, the survive, and defend property at any cost. To the fact I've learned about the book, one moral uplifting lesson here is to do with identifying the proper limits to stellar violence against aboriginal people, to imperative to survive the define property at any cost. To the student of natural history will bring about the moral improvement of the rising generation. 3. The new vocabulary and the meaning in bahasa, frontier perbatasan, konkret imbued dijiwai, hunting memburu, visceral mendam, argus mendesak, uplifting membangkitkan semangat. For the summary about the main topic from this book is the Kangarohan from his perspective is never morally uplifting. What is morally uplifting is the rejection of this it is an inhumanity of being cruel in sport and of finding pleasure in the exercise of any pursuit which will cause pain. Even the main creature that has life. One morally uplifting lesson here is to do with identifying the proper limits to settler violence against aboriginal people. 5. Why do you recommend this book? Because this book tell about the adventures of several groups, the various region where they find a variety of culture and characteristic of a tribal society, such as how important it is not to hunt kangaroo sadistically and not to discriminate against the aboriginal tribes who are the original tribes there. Besides that, there are also many lessons we can take from this book. So that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.